Here we have a light opal, not a doublet, not a triplet, not synthetic opal. Fantastic colors. Look at that, rolling flash, very bright, very colorful. All those colors, popping colors. Nice thickness. Isn't that pretty? One thing is the shape. The shape's not perfect. I would prefer maybe a triangle. The shape works if when you work on the design. So we can add diamonds to kind of balance that shape. But normally I shape an opal before I start listing it. But I don't know. I really just thought that I wanted to leave the shape in this particular way, because if I set it as a pendant, I would set it like probably. It has to be like this at this point in time with the shape, and then I would add some diamonds just to kind of balance it out there. But we can custom make here. We do a lot of custom making jewelry, and our prices are really competitive. We make all the money from our stone and just a little bit from the making. So if you like this stone, we can custom make a piece of jewelry for you. Just get in contact with us.